Hi, would you like to take your landscape and nature photography to the next level? This course will guide you step by step to creating stunning nature photography. I'm Charlie Borland, and I'm the creator of several best-selling online courses, including this one, The Ultimate Guide to Landscape and Nature Photography. I'm convinced the best way to learn is by doing. My course is highly interactive with demonstrations and challenges built into each chapter. I'll guide you through all the ins and outs of landscape photography and then take you into the field with me, where I will demonstrate, in a field setting, many of the techniques and strategies presented in the lectures. You will then be challenged to go out into the field and practice those same techniques yourself. So what's in this course? Well, we'll start with the basics for all the new photographers. We'll look at cameras and lenses, equipment accessories that are valuable in the field. We'll then move into how to get a perfect exposure, followed by creative approach to photographic composition. And then we'll look at the magic of quality light. We'll dig deep into developing your vision to see magnificent compositions, followed by some really fun techniques, and then we'll finish with some Lightroom strategies for processing your digital files. I will also provide you free access to some of my favorite places to photograph, and that comes from the many years of traveling in every single state in the lower 48 of the U.S. I will tell you how to find the location, and I'll tell you how I photographed them. So, there's no reason to wait. Join me on this exciting journey as we get started today doing what we all love to do the most, go out and photograph nature. So, I hope to see you in class.